Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y28, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time. Not sure why that opened. I'm pressing both of those buttons. Come on, there we go. And from here, select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up again. And from the fast boot mode, using volume down, you want to select recovery mode, confirm it using your power button. And there we go. Now here we have a couple options like installing software, clearing data, which consists of wiping cache partition and factory reset, system check, enter safe mode, and 2 ways of leaving the recovery mode. So I'm gonna select restart, confirm it, and this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.